Hey guys, how's it going? I just got my FHM Balisong in the mail. It's really hard to. I gotta lube it up. There's the blade. And this knife is 24 centimeters long. Got it from pinoysteel.com. The materials are brass handles or brass bolsters and kamagong wood. Here's the wood. Like the wood is like pretty much jet black and here's one part of it that's kind of brownish. Right there. The blade is a high carbon steel, pretty thick. It's a pretty thick blade. High carbon steel. The latch is really stiff. The one thing I'm not very impressed about it is the inside of here. It's not really finished, it's just unfinished metal. But the knife overall is pretty nice. Everything's flush. The handles are flush where the wood meets the bolsters, which is really nice. It doesn't really flip up. I gotta lube it up really good. Heard it takes a few hours of just straight lubing to get this thing working good. Really nice knife. High carbon steel blade with it's a buoy blade. The grind right here and the grind up here for the, I don't know what these are called, like teeth or jimping. I don't really know what they are. But for like when you cut into something, you rip backwards. The holes, I don't know, probably made for looks and weight relief. This thing's about 5.5 ounces, I'm pretty sure. The latch, everything's all polished real nice. Actually, there's some bolsters are polished real nice. Blade polished. Have some I was lubing the knife, that's why my hands look so greasy from lubing the knife, because there's still some lube right here from lubing it up. Well, that's the knife. Thanks for watching.